Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the dashboard from an Infiniti FX35. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a trim removal kit, Phillips head, and flathead screwdrivers. Always begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery for safety. Next, gently pry off the side pillar covers and remove any screws that become visible. Moving on, you'll need to remove the center console and shifter assembly. This often involves carefully prying up trim pieces and disconnecting electrical connectors. Next, detach the clock assembly and any surrounding trim. Finally, lower the steering column to gain access to additional bolts and clips that secure the dashboard. Now, proceed with caution to unbolt the passenger side airbag module. Handle it with care. Systematically locate and remove all remaining dashboard mounting bolts, which can be tricky to find. Some sources suggest removing the front seats for better access to these bolts. A steering wheel puller may be necessary if the steering wheel needs to be completely removed for full dash access. With all fasteners removed, carefully pull the dashboard away from the vehicle, disconnecting any remaining wiring harnesses and air ducts. It's highly recommended to take plenty of photos of all connections to aid in reinstallation. This is a time-consuming process, so patience is key. For other great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.